friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to start page number 14. Our page number 14 is about communication. The first part is about words. We are going to learn about different words. These words indicate the body parts. Now let us listen to this audio carefully and you are going to repeat the words after them.
14. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Head, eye, ear, mouth, leg, body, head, eye, ear, mouth, leg, body.
I hope you have repeated these words after them. Now let us continue with the next part. In this part, what you have to do is, there are clues that are mentioned. You have to read down these clues and write the correct words. These words are from the body parts that you have just learned. Now pause this video and write down the correct answers. I hope you are done with your question. I have completed this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. Some animals have 2 of these and some have 4. These are legs. Eyes, ears, and mouth are on this for most animals. This is head. Most animals have 2 of these to see with. These are eyes. This body part can open and close. Most animals eat with this. It's mouth. Elephants have 2 big ones, but fish don't have any. These are ears. A tiger's legs help move this from place to place. What are these? This is the body. That's all for today.